Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, how are you, Fragbird? I think I just start CB before you landed. Oh no, did I? I think I didn't. Damn it, I'll have to add you manually. No, now I just started. You need to try again. You have no proof. Well, how are you, my friend? I was thinking about you, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. I did some training and it was zone 4 and RPM super low, like 55, 60, and I was like, that's not fun. I shared it on X just to kind of like, I needed to vent a little bit, and nobody replied. I was like, they don't know. I just need to start a service, and I was trying to do something and it's not working. Let me try that. Why are you not working? Okay, if I do this, it should be good. Let's close that page and reopen. Okay, if I do this, how do I do that? Live stream. I want to do live stream. It's not working. Okay, well, we'll play with that later. Two in a row? No, no. We're Man, I need to try to land. See, I'm not landing. Except if Instafluff and Maya push the rigged version. Oh, I missed one of your message. Oh, this is, I have full flare in my stuff. Let me try to change the angle. Super busy. What? Entertainingly. Oh yeah. I think right now I still need to crank up my I forgot how it's called, my T whatever something, because I cannot go. You know, at some point I cannot follow. Oh, that's why I cannot see. That's how you know you're getting old. Ah, now I can see. Oh man. Yeah, like I forgot what, you know, like you could adjust the level. I'm getting a decent number now, but like I'm trying to do very long, so I guess that's why I don't have like super fast moment. 110. Yeah. Like usually by default, I'm also like 85, 90 is kind of like my sweet spot for me. Like the pace my how they call that? Is it RPM? And like when they go super fast, it's just my legs cannot go that fast. It's like I feel like they're like, and there's not enough resistance or anything. I just feel like it's whatever. So I feel it's the other number that, you know, the higher that number, like it level up all your zones. I think that number, I still need to crank it up slowly. Maybe I should do another test. But the other day, my wife was just like, yeah, just like bump it. You'll see. You should bump it up like every 10 every weeks. And I was like, okay. Okay. You know what? Let's run the intro. Let's get started. Oh, that's big. And oh, that's my mic. I don't want. I'm in the emptiness. That's sad. Why am in that emptiness thingy? I want to be here. Voila, that's better. Yeah. Well, maybe my wife is, you know, hard trainer. Bonjour, hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. I'm Frank Boucher, your host, and for the next about 2 hours, today we talk about AI because it's Wednesday, and Wednesday it is AI stuff. The other day we're not doing AI. Joke. It's always AI, but today we are creating content that use AI. And today we are working, so we'll be working on this integration, that connector. I'm never sure how to call it. Your wife is cleaning. It's maybe Fragbird, maybe that's exactly what it is. But I know she's training super hard, like she does triathlon and did half Ironman and stuff like that. So she's definitely a different level than I do. At least for those three sports. So yeah, so today we'll be working on the n8n integration or connector. So it's the Reka connector. So I can share that in the chat. Let me do that. Come on. Boom. That's the connector. So n8n is an integration tool. It's very useful. It's represented by, I think there's a demo at some point here. We could do that here. Come on. It looks like this. So you have connector. This one is to generate, as the title says, generate AI video clip. Each time there's a new YouTube video or your favorite YouTuber. Is it me or the music is loud? I feel like I'm yelling. I think I did raise up the volume yesterday. Yeah, like lower. Ah. Now I don't need to yell anymore. Coding when you're alone and talking, it's not the same thing. So yeah, so this one, each time there's a new video coming up. Oh, can I do this? No? I should be able to anyway. Oh, I know what, there it is. So each time there's a new video coming out on YouTube, it call Reka APIs to generate a video clip. Last Wednesday, we did implement new feature in this one to change the font, the font family, the colors, the color of the border, the position of the captions showing up that will be burned into your clip. And what else did we add? I think it was like removing the watermark. So it will create a job on Reka server to do that, and then initialize a variable. Hello, hello. Who's there? It's Sturdy Dev. Hello, how are you, my friend? So yeah, it does that. Wait a little bit. 10 minutes is way too much, but you know, better wait a little bit too much than like looping for nothing. And then it check the job status, and when it's ready, it will send you an email, say, hey, your clip is ready. So we did that last time, but we recently at Reka, so I work at Reka, we launched a new model, and that model can interact a little bit faster when it's an image or when it's a short video. So today the plan is to integrate those functionality into the connector. And so we could just, for example, detect if something is in the image. Like, do you see like a balloon, and then like, you know, football ball, it's ball, just ball, right? Football ball in the image. Do you see flowers or whatever? And then like it can sort, I don't know. We could decide to do some activity. So I want to add those things. And another thing will be to maybe get a description. TBD is here. Oh, GT. GT, hello. You know, Fragbird today tried twice and landed twice. Just saying. But I didn't. So maybe is Fragbird's day. You know, is it your birthday, Fragbird? Maybe that's why. Because it didn't work for me, but it worked twice for you. I'm not in a category. I did change that today. Thank you for the heads up. Let's do that. Thank you, Major. Since I start using Restream, each time I need to do it manually. It's weird. I don't know why. It shouldn't. and of course, Fred Eye is lending. So maybe there's something I'm missing. Sorry, got some answer from a friend. I asked him if he wanted to present on a user group, and he just replied, I can't. Conflict. Or maybe he's too shy. It's also possible. So yeah, so the connector is open source. It's available there. But then because we are doing it everything following the community rule of n8n, you could integrate it directly into your n8n account. This morning, I had a lot of fun. I published last week with our work that we did version 0.6, and this morning I published 0.6, 1, 2, 3, and 4 because they have new requirements, and then you need to publish with some. I forgot how it's called, but like, you know, so I decided let's put like a full CI/CD. So now it's pushing from this, and you get everything in your CI/CD. I had the link there, so I could click here. That's the page I was looking for. So yeah. So now you have that. And tomorrow, I believe, n8n is publishing like a refresh of all his integration. So the new version 06 will be there. I guess 04 will be next week, something like that. I think. Like it's nothing except that requirement. So it's the publication settings that change. I didn't do it during the stream. I thought it was not interesting, but I think working on the code could be interesting. So without further ado, we could. And I did start working on chat vision. Not sure how I want to call that. I think we start again from main. Let's see what I did create, because I start working on it, but I forgot what I did exactly. So let's open. And there's a new version of Git Kraken, so I think Friday we'll have a look to that new version. It's pretty cool, integrate all the agents, but on Omarchi right now I don't have it. Oh, and I think Friday anyway will be running from Debian for Android stuff, so maybe it will be easier to have a look then. So now let's go to here. Is it? Am I? Okay, no, I feel like it's dark. So create the clip. I think I start adding feature here. Yeah, and chat. Simple prompt about image in short. Yeah, I added that. But the thing is, I don't know how to do that. Because right now, if we go back to the doc, because like n8n is just a kind of an interface around, you're wrapping up like an API, right? So if I'm looking at the API, the one I'm wrapping up around is this one. And depending if you're talking, if you want to talk about an image or a video, you need to pass a different parameter. Maybe we need to change that. Hey, Stony. Yeah, right. See, I'm not doing .NET. I'm doing TypeScript today and JavaScript or Node. How are you? How are you, mister? I'm feeling okay. I feel a little bit drained this week. I'm not sure why. Feel like I don't, but nothing dramatic. Maybe it's just because it's raining outside for the past 2 weeks. So I feel like it's dark all the time. I went outside during the weekend and walked, so I don't know. Are you sure doing TypeScript is not like you? Exactly. But yeah, I'm sure. Look, this is not .NET. Oh, I should go in bigger screen. This is not .NET. So yeah, so I think. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing. One thing that could be cool, but I don't know how to do that in a n8n connector, is you would decide, so you will be like, I want to chat with the media, and then based on a drop down, it will pass a different parameter. I feel that would be cooler, but I don't know how to do that. So right now,
Hi.
the only way I see, hello. Oh, what? Oh, that was bonjour, Stony.
Bonjour. Hi.
I need to create the animated version, or like a animated GIF of like Forrest Gump, like waving like a crazy. when people do that, round and the forward slash, it pops and waves. Yeah, I wish there was a way, because otherwise I will have to create so many different options. I'm not sure I want to do that. So if I open a terminal, is it in demo? I think it's in demo, right? That we had yeah. Oh yeah, I could record a few. And guys, if you want your voice saying bonjour, hi, you could give it your best shot and send them to like as a recording on Discord or whatever stuff, and then I can add them if you're interested. Yeah, so. Cool. Okay, so right now, right, if you want to add something, you do Reka, and then you have those. But I don't want to have, I want to talk about an image. I would like to just have one. Although operation, I could have all those here. Because what I was thinking is it could be like something like this. So you decide, oh, like it's an image, and then you pass the image. Well, I could have that here instead. So it'll be an operation. So that means if it's an operation are there, right? Can I just say replace? Oh, it's the same thing. Yeah, operation are here. Those are actions, and operation, I think. I feel it should be like, I'll make a suggestion to the team. I think it should be just like media, and like on our side we detect what it is. But I'm guessing so ask the question about the image here. That's the thing I need to now be like, yeah, that's the thing. I did not implement the search, right? No. Oh, I'm hiding it. Sorry. It's like this. So the Q&A here are using a different API. So you need, like, it works with bigger, it's really using the Vision API, and so it works with longer video. So you need to upload the video, and then like you could ask a question, and like it does a lot of things. That new model work with smaller images or video, like 10-second video, and you could describe that video or do stuff like that. Did you detect something? You know, like we could do things like that. But I'm not sure how to split it so it makes sense. So clip action, video management, image management, and Q&A. So maybe here it's like action on media library. I'm not sure how to make it so it's logic. How do you know when to use one or the other? I was like, how do we get out again? So I call that chat. Okay, I need to upgrade that branch anyway, so let's come here. I need to update. Can I bring main into this? Cool. So how was your week so far, guys? Are you all super busy? What should I do? What should I do? I think I will have... Oh man, I don't want to do that. Like prompt about an image, prompt about a video. And then if we want to detect, should it be another thing? Maybe. So here it would be prompt about a video. Let's do that. Because the image chat is this one. I have everything from this one here. Ask a question about an image. I think we removed that one. Or maybe I keep it. Let's keep it for now. Yeah. Okay. So those are preloaded. Oh, maybe it's a preloaded images, preloaded image, preloaded video. Oh yeah, maybe that will be. And the other one. What will make more sense, preloaded image or image in the library? Because it's about here. So I want you to, like, if you want to use those will be ask a question about an image in the library. So meaning you need to upload the video or the image before you ask. The other one will be kind of like chatting, like you're sending the image at the same time, but obviously they need to be small. Maybe it's preloaded. It'll be shorter. Yeah, let's go for preloaded. So ask a question about a preloaded image. No, I think I prefer in the library for now. Yeah. Okay. And close this. So here, prompt about the video. Prompt about an image. Small video. Image. I guess it doesn't like the parentheses. Yeah. Maybe we just do small video. And in description we have more. Oops. Oops. And now I think I could put routing at the top though. And should I implement, where was it here in the doc? Should I implement the audio and the PDF? I think I will focus for now on the just those two. PDF, GT, what was that? Laugh! What was that, man? Okay, so I think we'll just go with images and video for now. And one thing I want to add, so we have prompt about an image, prompt about a small video, and I will go detect in image. And that will only work for an image. So it will be detect in an image. Oops. That's typical Wednesday drop. Yeah, it's true though, but you know you will end up with like a nice landing at some point, right? You know, you always do. Right, CB? I was sharing this during the weekend. I was, if I go here, I was, taking a walk, not hiking. It was pretty flat, but and I put like a hat, and at some point I was feeling a breeze in my forehead. For some reason, that it opened. So, like there's those are thermic, maybe if I just try to harden it again, it will stick again, I'm not sure. Or put like a big duct tape, but then like it will be on my forehead. I don't know. But I was very disappointed. And not like Jeff, C# Fritz, I don't have a lot of hats. I was like, oh, damn it. Okay, so detect an image, prompt about an image, prompt about a small video. Yeah, I think that's cool. I think that's a good start. So now we can add. You still hear the music? Maybe I lower it too much. I cannot hear it that much anymore. Or maybe I could just turn on the volume. Now it's not playing, so it doesn't help. Okay. So we have detect image, prompt about an image. Prompt about an image, that's boring. Whoop. Look like I will get back to you in a second. Sorry, guys. And I'm back. Package delivery. And it's raining, so I didn't want it to be all... What's the word I'm looking for? Saggy? Feel like that's an inappropriate word for the stream. You know, wet box. Okay, so I think I will have, so I start doing image video chat will definitely change that. Oh yeah, I didn't like prompt about an image. Prompt for an image, maybe better. Image prompt for an image. Maybe about was better. Yeah, it will be n. Thanks. But it's image in, text out. So I don't want people to think that they will be generating an image. So maybe about was better. If the next words start with the voice, yeah. Thank you, Stony. That's one of the stuff in English I'm not so bad with. The thing that is hard for me is the H at the beginning of a word and the S at the, like when I'm speaking, not when I'm writing. Yeah. Oh yeah? No, that's good for me. Like that one is a, you know, I will forget it, you know, when you speak, but at the same time, like if I'm that's one of the thing in grammar that I will catch pretty quickly. But there's stuff, right? The worst for speaking is the H at the beginning of the word. So the difference between hair and air, that's hard. And variable and variables. When I'm like the S at the end, because in French we don't pronounce those. So it's always kind of like, yeah, you know, English is hard. Well, there's exception, you know. At some point I had a lesson with a teacher one-on-one, and she was awesome. Like, we, instead of like teaching me stuff, we were a lot playing some kind of games and stuff like that, so you're learning a lot without feeling that you're learning, you know, that you're having fun while you're learning instead of just like memorizing everything. And at some point I was like, damn it, like there's always an exception. Maybe I should practice what's not an exception. Like, it's so many exception, like for the verbs, and I forgot what it was, but oh man, yeah. And after that, I think it's just time. You need to read, you need to watch TV, you need to, you know, do all the stuff. Okay, let's do prompt for an image. Since that one is our default, let's work on that one. So I think we change that here. It will be image prompt param. It will be our stuff. And it will be image prompt. So now here, we'll rename that, and it will just be image prompt. Cool, and here it will be image prompt param. Prompt param. Cool. So I'm splitting stuff. What? Image prompt? Yeah. Unable to resolve the path. No. Yeah. Oh, maybe because of this. Well, we need to work on that. And now I should go in that other corner. Maybe I should be straight in the middle. I feel like I'm not using that part that much. Okay. I don't get it. Maybe chat here also is not good. Maybe I should use prompt. Yeah, maybe I will change it for prompt. So here it should be what? Yeah, sure. Prompt. So here it'll be prompt. I'll go to prompt. So now the order change so should go here. I feel like no, I want prompt description, not I prompt, just prompt. Yeah, that's what I want. So I need to change it here. That's good. So now I need to change it in here. Hey Jade, hello. You're full stack Java dev and you want to work with me? Well, first, thank you for thinking that. Where are you based? At Reka, we have a few opportunity, but I think you need to be local in San Francisco or Singapore, if I'm not mistaken. Though the best way is to go on the website and look. Let me quickly check with you. If you go to company, I think, career. If you look here, there's there's remote opportunity. So yeah, have a look there and you can apply. Let me put that in the chat. Did it work? I don't see my message. Yeah, okay. Oh, because I did the exclamation point, that's why I didn't follow. Let's just do this. Kidding! Well. Okay, so okay, we have that. Where I am? This is clip. I don't want to modify clip, so prompt description. So I'm here. That's the good place. That's where we were since the beginning. Cool. Okay, now image prompt is okay, so we can go work in there. Cool, so now the object is prompt description. No, it's prompt. The operation is prompt. Currently, I'm developing an Android app and desktop full backend. Oh, that's cool. So maybe you should join us on Friday, because I'm trying to do that, and it's not going well. No, I think the major issue was my computer. I was using a mini PC, and it was just too demanding for that mini PC. I think next week will be not next week, but Friday we'll be using my laptop, and it should be better. Though we won't be using Android Studio. I think we'll still be using VS Code. Maybe I should, because I didn't want to install on my big server, my big tower. I didn't want to install like all the dev tools. That will be my fallback. But yeah. Okay, so here okay. No, the resources prompt our operation. Okay. Okay. So the resource is prompt. The operation is, with this we said we start with image prompt, so it's that one. And it will be prompt about we could reuse that one, I think. Hello, sir, from India. Hello, hello. John, is it how you say your name? John? Welcome aboard. Welcome behind my cloud. So yeah, so prompt about, let's keep this for now. Yeah, I think I will create like a specific file for all the parameters. So I might do duplication, but it will be clearer if we want to tweak it later. Jed is saying, okay, I can do that too. Create my own framework for enterprise production, not relying on a framework, but work safety without Spring. Your name is Dev? Hello, Dev. Yeah, well, on Friday, I'm trying to use .NET MAUI because I wanted to try that. In a different project, we tried to use, I forgot what it was called. Something with, oh, I forgot. We tried something else on a different, and I wanted to try .NET MAUI. Well, it's a Montreal-based company. I should remember what it is. Romo, Vovo, logo. I forgot. It's something. Oh, what it is. Anyway, on Friday we'll try again with .NET MAUI. No HTML for on Android. That Friday project is an Android project that I like. In fact, it's a website, and now I'm trying to make like an Android version so it works offline. So we're kind of like adding like an offline interface. But today is a Node. It's in Node, and we're working or adding more functionality into n8n connector that give the capability for people to use AI in there. So like this is n8n, so you add connector like this, and when there's a trigger, so for example, another one that I have is it create a video clip each time there's a new video on YouTube. But now I want to say, for example, I want to detect. So like detect if there's a dog in that image or something like that. So you could say, hey, each time there's a picture in that folder, analyze it and like, you know, tag it, whatever, you know, you could do stuff. So that's the functionality I want to add right now today. And so we're wrapping up, if I look, we're wrapping up Reka API. So right now what I need to do is pass the parameters. So for example, right now I'm passing the text parameter. So we'll need to pass this. So it's type text, and I will have after that the image URL and stuff like that. Well, yes and no. And buddy, like, if you can not use all the time capital letters, if you can use smaller lowercase, you know, if it's possible on your keyboard, will be nice. Otherwise, it looks like you're yelling. But it could be like different keyboards. You have you cannot do that. But if you can manage to not use all uppercase, it will be cool. But ask your question. If I can, I will help. But I don't own all the questions. That's part of the reason why I'm streaming. So even if I'm have a lot of experience with AI or as a developer, I don't have all the questions. And I want to share how we work and have fun and like how we search, how we learn. So here, so prompt, so see like I'm typing text. Do we need to be prompt about the image? I think just prompt is good enough. I think it's good. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you, buddy. So we pass this, so we'll have after that the role. I'm not sure. Like I know it's possible, but maybe I'm not doing it. Why would I need the role? I think we don't want the role for that. The image URL is definitely something we want. The model is cool too to pass. Instagram? What do you mean? I won't answer that question, Dev. Sorry. So I think I'm good with that. So your image URL, your prompt, you send that. Your model. Yeah, I think it's good enough. We could just try that, see if it's working quickly. Well, are you student or you are like you're working currently, or you're looking for work, Dev? Like if you're a student, or like if you're not working at all, then yeah. But yeah, starting to work it's hard. I get that. Okay, so what did I do? No. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this. Cool. So now what I can do is clear, and I could just do npn run build. I think that should be good. Cool. So now if I go in the terminal, I think I could just restart. So now if I go here, can refresh. You're a student? No, then, you know, having a low income or no income, you know, it's possible. When I was a student, I was working, had a few jobs, not in computer sciences, but, you know, try to help find some money. But I get it. It's hard. Prompt. Cool. Look at that. We just had those. So prompt action, detect an image, prompt about an image. That's the one we did. So let's click on that. So describe this media, and we need image URL, and then we have the two models. Oops, let's remove the zoom. And then we have the two model. Let's go with Edge. So I need to find an image. Let's go, let's say on my blog, let's go Yankees notes. Okay, let's go this image. If I do this and I put, okay, cool. So if I do execute, let's see. If I am from USA, no, I'm Canadian. I'm from Canada. Bad request. Buddy message. Oh, oops. Message. Hey, Virat T, how are you? There's a lot of YouTube people today. That's nice. Nice to see you all. I feel like I'm not formatting correctly my requests, but I wish I could see it a little bit better. I'm hiding it. Let's go in the other corner. Good night. Have a good night, sir. Sir Dev. So I'm missing the roll, so I need to pass the roll. That's why the roll was there. Could I pass it without showing it? I guess I could if I'm doing it a step ahead. If I'm describing it here, maybe. Like here I have routing. If I have the message, I guess. Because even the routing, I wish I could, can I put it here? Can I put routing here? Yeah, so I could put the routing there. So if I remove this and put the routing here, could I do that? Right? I could. And now, can I add specific body maybe? How do I do that? Yeah, it's in routing, right? So I could do that. I could do, where it was the role. So I could just add one here. Let's change that. Let's put this here. So in the requests and in the send, we put that, but the value will be I forgot what it was again. What I'm doing, I'm doing a connector. Like I'm not doing the connector. I'm adding functionality in the connector for n8n. So, do you know n8n? n8n is a great platform for low code, no code. So just like that, you have a bunch of connectors to tons of different applications, services, and things like that, and you connect them. So like each time, for example, there's a YouTube video, you want to do something. Each time there's a new file in a folder, you want to do something. Each time there's, or maybe it's on schedule, every Monday, 5 a.m., you want to do something. Or each email, whatever, you know, it could be triggered manually also. So, and then you have your workflow, so interconnect bunch of stuff and something happened. So I wrote a connector, a Reka connector that does a bunch of stuff. So if we look in integration and we search for Reka, there's the Reka connector here. Reka is a company with AI like a physical AI, so VisionAI, a lot of things like that. So and right now we are focusing on the vision thing. So we already have it. So like when there's a new YouTube video, it generates a clip. But I wanted to add something like question an image or detect object in an image or describe a video, short video and stuff like that. So we're adding those functionality. That's what we do today. And n8n is super cool. I love it. So yeah, that's what we do. Can you AI me some, what? Tesseract training data? Stony. Come on. Come on, man. No? Tesseract? What's Tesseract? You need it. Oh, you should have said so. Like, of course I will send you that. What else do you need? You need more money? Okay, so we were... A code review? No, I don't want code review. Okay, so yeah, so, oh yeah, I wanted to check the API here. User, that's what I want. In here, so body and the value is user. So let's see if that worked. If I go terminal again and I rebuild it. I'm planning to learn a lot. That's great. I start learning mermaid? What's MERN? Planning to learn n8n, Docker, Kubernetes, and all. Yeah, that's cool. AI did demotivate me a lot as fresher. Yeah, well, I think I get that, honestly, as a... I think AI, like, the thing is, I think I need to create content about that. I feel like for people who want to learn, people like me who like to code, I don't want AI to code. I want to code, but I can use AI to do the part I don't like. I can use AI at work to go faster. And then if I just want to, you know, have some fun and code an evening or own project or whatever, then I can code by myself. Just like I like to make my own bread. Obviously I can buy bread at the store, but I like to make my own bread. Sometimes I buy bread at the store and I also do my own. You know, like one doesn't block the others, but you need to learn how to use AI to do all the other things. But you can also learn AI to learn the other things, not just to do the other things. That's the nice part about AI. You're having like a private teacher that could help you when you're trying to learn, but you need to ask a lot of questions, not just like do the thing, but show me how to do the thing, explain me like why that doesn't work, and like don't do it, let me do it, why write me a tutorial. You know, you could ask your question a lot, and that's a good way to learn by yourself. I'm an autodidact person. Is it a word in English, autodidact? I think it is. And like that's been great for me because I could just I used to jump in whatever, even if I don't know, but now it just like I don't even second guess it. I just like, oh yeah, I have no idea how to do it, let's start now, because I know I have AI and AI can help me. Oh, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. I don't think it will stay. I get it, and it's very frustrating. Like I hear you, Mohammed, but I think soon they will start hiring again people with less experience because we need them. You cannot do everything with senior people. Even if they are faster, even if like there's AI to help them, like even with all of that, you cannot do everything with senior people. Okay, so let's do this. I will close that. I will try to just refresh the page. So now if I go here, can I execute it now? Oh, no. Same error? Message, something wrong. I'm on Linux, I could do this. Though I think the debug mode, I need to have the... request. Let's remove the node and add another one. Cool. Now let's add Reka. And I do for prompt about an image. Cool. And now I paste this. And now if I execute it, bad gateway. The service failed to handle your request. Something wrong happened on your end. My end. Please retry in a bit. Persist. Okay, so 502. Please retry in a bit. Persist. Contact your team. Oh, on what? On there? Server error. Code. Upstream error. Param. Null. I need to visualize the message that was sent. Right, if I clear everything and I try again, is it the message payload? What's your usual live time so I can learn something with you while sitting and studying? I am getting lost. Well, like if you look my schedule down below, are you on YouTube? So on Wednesday it's now. So right now for me it's close to 4:30. So it's been an hour and a half that I stream. So I do usually 2 hours. So we're at the end mostly of on Wednesday. And on Friday it's in the morning. If you go on Twitch, so Twitch, let me share my, it's twitch.tv/ I think that would be, if you go there, you will see my schedule. I don't have a schedule on YouTube, I think. And then that made me think that I should do a shout out to Mr. Stony Eagle. If you want to learn, this guy built a super cool kind of personal Netflix with a lot of videos and things like that, and encoding. And right now he's like messing around with FFmpeg to like do the own encoding, personal encoder stuff. Really cool. Pretty chill music over there. But in fact, it's the music you like because you can pick it. That's nice. Though sometimes some other viewer put weird music, thinking about the meow thing. But it's still fun, you know. Yeah, Stony, it's awesome your stream. Yesterday I couldn't watch for a very long time. I had like a bunch of meetings, so I watched a few and then came back, watched I think 10 minutes and then like left again, and I was like, wow, I should have put it on lurk or something. I wish there was a way. How did I do that in the past? I'm not even sure if how can I know? Prompt about an image. Bad gateway. The service failed to handle your request. Maybe that URL is too weird. Maybe I should use a different image. What if does this one? Copy image address. Does that image? It's still weird. It's still a very long URL. Okay, if I do this and I say I feel like it's like, what's my goal? Why Reka? Because I work at Reka. Is it good enough? Reka is a very, like, honestly, that model, Reka Edge here, it's super fast for vision, and it's available right now on OpenRouter if you want to see it. OpenRouter.ai. You could, like, I'm using the Reka API. Obviously, that's the cheaper way, but then, like, it's a commitment. Though you can use it, like, if you go at Reka.ai and you create an account, automatically you have a free subscription. So you have, like, I forgot how many tokens by month, but you could do a lot with that. Analyzing images, generating clips and stuff like that. So you could do a lot of things. But if you are already using OpenRouter and you already have like a subscription there, you could just switch and use Reka Edge, and it's a very, very performant model, faster than Gemini 3 for like a 7B model. It's very, very, very efficient, very fast, very efficient. So yeah. So bad gateway. So I feel, how can I see my requests? Okay, let's go try to understand this. Hey, Mr. Claude. Check the input. Yeah, I wish. But, oh! Image input. Okay, yeah, image URL. That's good. Image URL, image URL. Oh, and then I need to pass this. Did I do it correctly? Maybe I didn't do it correctly. So type, image URL, and then the value. Let's bring that. Because in fact, image URL is another object. Right? So type is image URL, and then image URL is another object. So I think so type is an image URL, and image URL, okay, so I'm missing here, I'm missing an object here. Yeah, so yeah, so here it will be another thing like this, and then it will be URL like that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look. Does that work? Let's see. Come on. Thank you for the subscribing. Very appreciated. Why? I didn't see. Oh yeah, because you did it on YouTube. Well, thanks for the stuff. I have other channel. I need to do more video on my other channel. Like the channel that you're watching right now on YouTube is my behind the scene channel. I have F Bucheros also, where I put a lot of things, but it's been a while since I push video. Like my real channel is, I do a lot of things also still with Microsoft. So you're watching at Behind My Cloud, right? But I do a lot also. Oh, I didn't put it here. Oh. I do a lot also at F Bucheros. But it's been a while. But I want to do more. And I do French content too, but I want to do more. Oh yeah, and sometimes I do stuff on Microsoft channel. And these days I do also things on Reka's channel. Let's put that here. Boom. So recently I published 2 videos about the Edge model. So I put this one with Open Router. So I build like a small application where I use the Edge model with code and I detect stuff in images or get description. And here I was running the model locally using the VLLM. But yeah, and like here it's like generating clip using Python. So I try to do a lot of coding example on this channel. But yeah. Okay, so I think now if we refresh that, maybe it will work. Are you a founder of Reka? No, I work there. Okay. Let's do this. Let's take this. Let's delete. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. I forgot to do this. To restart the container because I'm running n8n locally. Oh, maybe it was working before too. But I doubt it. Okay, so now I do this. Now I re-add the thing. And it's prompt about an image. I could do this. Everything else should stay the same. Oh man. Param null. With n8n, how can I... Oh, he's not... Hello? Hello, hello, hello? Okay, now it's working. In n8n, how can I see the request payload that is sent in a node? Option pin the data, inspect the output. Yeah, no. HP requests before yours. What? Pin the data to inspect the node output. Can I do that? I don't think so. I don't think to pin the data I will have to it didn't work, right? Yeah. I cannot pin because it didn't run. But wait a second. Okay, let's if I come here, okay, let's read, but I just had an idea. I had something that works already, so was it? Yeah, it kind of worked. Okay, option 2, Use n8n HTTP requests node before yours. Replace or duplicate the call with the raw HTTP code. You can see exactly what, yeah. Yeah, no. Use a request bin. Oh, what's that? Use a request bin. ASIS payload inspection. Temporary. Point to an API URL to a service. Oh yeah, I could do that. That's true. Okay. Oh yeah, but I will have to, well, I would just have to change that. Because I did change a lot of things. Okay, my idea that I just had was already have something that works, right? So in the QA, I had chat image, and that was working. That's about the video. Ask a question about the video. I wonder if that one works. Okay, let's have a look. Does that one works? So if I remove this and let's delete it. Let's add Reka, and if I do, oh no, Reka, and then I do question about an image in a library. So I could use the same. Let's go with that image. Copy link, no, image. Copy image address. Okay. If I do this, and I could take Edge. It's not if I execute that. It works. So I guess it's the fact that I'm passing that no, that's the output. I want to see the input. If I pin, maybe? What are you saying? I live in such a quiet neighborhood that you are the loudest thing I hear. I'm not sure it's a compliment, Stony. Am I too loud? No, I'm shy. It's already hard to stream for me.
Bonjour. Hi.
Try again.
Bonjour. Hi.
It's only my voice.
Bonjour. Hi. Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
There it is. Just in time. Well, you have usually.
Bonjour. Hi.
Usually you have a button. You could just like, you know, dim it. So I guess it's because I removed the roll that it's not working. What's happening? A light team? You're so unpleasant. I know I can put it, but I forgot where I can do it. I thought it was personal. Oh yeah. There. Here. Light team. Pink. Full savage. Yeah, okay. I know you love me. I didn't say I love you too though, but I do. Where is it again? Team. Color team. That's light. Is it light enough? Though honestly, I like it a little bit more than before. Oh, Control K, Control T. Okay. This? No. Control K, Control T. I know you do. I know. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. Like, there's so many lights anyway around me. What's this? Okay, so maybe what I should do is just bring back the what was it again? The roll. This. Maybe I could just bring that. Let's see if that makes a difference. So if I bring this back to the image chat. Oh, that's in QA. Oh, did I think I closed the good one. So here, if I do this, and now I need to change the resource for prompt. An image prompt. I guess I didn't need all of that. Oh, I changed a lot of things. I put the routing there. Maybe I should put back the routing into the. Okay, let's try this. I'm missing so much my stuff. Let's .NET build. I don't even know why it's still compiling. I start watching a new TV show, Stony, on Netflix, and it's done in Canada. And obviously, the first episode, like the first season, it's in winter, like, you know, and they start, and I was like, oh, come on, not again. Like, I thought like it would be in the wood with the alien, you know, like a skidoo and like tent and stuff. No, but they put it very original, and I was like, okay, whatever. Felt like they will play again that image. I feel like every time there's a good show, it's always kind of like, yeah, like they live in TP and they, you know. But no, the show is good. It's called what's it called again? Forgot. It's a detective series. Who landed? Who landed? Sorry, Dev landed. Excellent. It's called Cardinal. Cardinal? Cardinal. In English, Cardinal. Can I? It's good though. It's a little bit dark, but it's good. There's a lot of seasons. So it's winter and stuff. But the thing is, this one, she's French. She's a Quebecoise, right? So I know her. And I was hoping I knew the places they go, and at some point they say, oh, whatever. And I thought, oh, maybe I will recognize the places, but yeah. Good show. Okay, so did I refresh the... Let's do it again. I'm not... No! Okay, let's close this. Let's go back here. Reka. So let's do prompt about an image. And we need an image URL. Copy the image address. That feels about okay. So if I do this, no, something wrong happened. Okay. Look like I cannot push all of the stuff I wanted to the. I guess I was looking for a dark place, and no, it's light. So in prompt, there's this, and I move the routing here. And I guess I cannot do that. So I will remove this from here. And I guess we were about prompt about an image, so I could do this here. That's how I'm doing it in QA. Let's go in QA, the image chat, that's the one. So let's open it on the side. Let's open both. They should be very, very similar. Oh, that's weird, the red. So image prompt, I want you on the left, and I want image chat on the right. Okay. So maybe for QA I can put maybe also this one here. So here in I was doing the routing here. Oh. Wait. Was it just because I put completion that I don't need? Which is me doing a stupid error like that? But then in image chat, image chat, okay. Maybe it was just the URL was wrong. Let's give it one more try, and after that I will have to wrap it up. So we'll have to find someone to raid, because I learned last week that we must raid. I was, you know, someone was unhappy with me because I didn't raid. Won't name any names, but I know he likes me. I need to restart the container. So if I come here, I will just grab this image URL. I will delete this and refresh the tab. Okay, now if I'm adding it back, I'm doing prompt about an image, and now I execute this. Oh no, I have like a 400. Detail, parameter, messages, missing, inappropriately pass. Parameter messages missing or improperly pass. Okay, we'll work on that. Like I've been messing around so much that it makes sense. Last call, if you want to try to drop, land, I know I will try again, and after that I will read the thing. Rabbit-abba-dabba-dab-dab. Text to speech. What was it? Rabbit-abba-dabba-doo. The voice to text is not great. Freda the cat, obviously Freda landed again. Yay! We could go raid Adams. There's Bash Bunny. There's what she's doing today. Bash Bunny, but like there's 400 people. Who else is developing? Any recommendation? Time for some Azure TTS. Boolean. What's a real one? I thought it was a joke.
Kate.
Solo game dev. Oh yeah, we can go. It's going 2D survival. Oh, that would be cool. Looks very interesting. Let's do that. Oh, I need to wrap it up. I need to wrap it up first. Don't leave yet. We need to wrap it up quickly. Where is my button? Here. Let's wrap it up. So today we work on the n8n connector. We had new follower and a lot of people from YouTube. Hello, welcome. Very happy to have you to see you all here today. That was very appreciated. Thank you for the new follower. Freda the cat was the virtual winner. We had Fragbird. That's awesome. Fragbird with 67. I think that's it. That was the best stream ever. Fragbird landed and is leading. Sir Dev, I done nothing. GT exceptionally did nothing either. So the biggest loser today is Grovosaurus. 11 drops. The super participant was Freda the cat, but you know, she is usually part of the winner, so that's good. Now let's raid. Let's raid Bulin. I don't know pronounce. I will see you on Friday. Hopefully Friday will be able to work. Like I said earlier, Friday we'll be working on the Android project with .NET MAUI, and will be working on my laptop. So a more powerful computer than last week. So hopefully it works. It's pronounced Boolean. So let's go see Boolean is working in a game. Say hi, be nice, and I will see you Friday. Let's do this like that. And now we can switch scene, and I will see you soon. Bye.